Welcome to our channel, where we unlock the secrets of woodworking and dive into the realm of profitable projects that every customer desires. If you've ever dreamed of turning your woodworking skills into a thriving business, you're in the right place. In today's episode, we're exploring easy yet highly sought-after woodworking projects that not only showcase your talent, but also ensure you make consistent profits. From charming home decor items that add a personal touch to beautifully crafted furniture that elevates living spaces, the demand for handmade wooden goods is stronger than ever. We'll discuss how to identify which projects resonate with customers, ensuring that your creations fly off the shelves. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just starting out, we'll guide you through each step, providing tips on materials, techniques, and marketing strategies to transform your passion into a lucrative venture. So grab your tools, unleash your creativity, and get ready to discover the rewarding world of woodworking that combines craftsmanship with profit. In today's market, the art of woodworking presents a unique opportunity for both hobbyists and seasoned craftsmen to channel their skills into profitable ventures. One of the most appealing aspects of woodworking is the ability to create products that are not only functional but also aesthetically pleasing, making them highly sought after by consumers. Projects such as custom furniture pieces are particularly lucrative, as many customers appreciate the craftsmanship and individuality that comes with handmade items. Imagine crafting a rustic dining table that becomes the centerpiece of a family's gatherings, or building a set of elegant bookshelves that fit perfectly into a contemporary home. These unique, tailored items hold a significant value for buyers. Additionally, smaller projects such as wooden toys, home decor items, and personalized gifts can also fetch a good price in local markets or online platforms. Customers often seek out handmade wooden toys that reflect quality and craftsmanship, making them thoughtful and durable gifts for children. Another profitable avenue in woodworking is creating outdoor furniture, such as benches, planters, and picnic tables, which can enhance any backyard or patio space while providing a functional purpose. Seasonal decor items can also be highly profitable, especially during holidays, when pine wood ornaments or beautifully crafted wreaths can capture the attention of shoppers looking to decorate their homes for special occasions. To maximize profitability, it's essential to stay attuned to current trends and consumer preferences, allowing you to adapt your projects accordingly. Incorporating reclaimed wood offers a sustainable angle that appeals to environmentally conscious buyers and adds a layer of character to every piece you create. As you embark on this woodworking journey, honing in on your niche, whether it's cutting boards, custom cabinetry, or decorative wall art, can help establish your brand and draw in a dedicated customer base. Promoting your work through social media platforms allows you to showcase your creations dynamically, engaging with potential customers and building a community around your craft. Hosting workshops or offering classes can further enhance your outreach, allowing others to share in the joy of woodworking while also generating additional income. Ultimately, the blending of creativity and functionality within the realm of woodworking not only offers the potential for a successful business, but can also cultivate a fulfilling passion that transforms simple pieces of wood into treasured items that customers will love and seek after. As we wrap up today's exploration of profitable and easy woodworking projects that every customer wants, we hope you feel inspired and equipped to take your skills to the next level. Remember, the beauty of woodworking lies not just in the finished pieces, but in the journey of crafting them. By focusing on projects that resonate with your audience, be it unique home decor, functional furniture, or custom gifts, you can tap into a market that appreciates the time and care invested in handmade goods. Don't forget the power of storytelling. Share the journey of your creations and connect with customers on a personal level. If today's video brought you value, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights and ideas on transforming your woodworking passion into a profitable business. We invite you to share your projects and experiences in the comments below. We love seeing what you create. Thank you for joining us today, and remember, with every cut and every join, you're building not just furniture but a rewarding future in woodworking. Keep crafting, stay passionate, and we'll see you in the next video.